Hello 6th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson angles. Coming to the worksheet 2. In which of the following are angle 1 and angle 2 adjacent angles? So there are the different figures given. In which of these figures it is a angle 1 and 2 are adjacent? So here this is one angle 1 and this is angle 2. Are they adjacent? No. Why? Because they do not have a common vertex, isn't it? Vertex is different, common arm is also not there. In question B, they have a common vertex, common arm, and the non-common arms are on the opposite sides of the common arm. So that is why yes. Now here this is angle 1, this is angle 2. See, vertex is same. For 1 and 2, vertex is same. But for this, the arms which are there, this and this for 1. And for 2, this and this. Now, which is the common arm? Common arm is this for both, isn't it? ये नीचे वाला 1 के लिए भी है, 2 के लिए भी है. So, common arm in between है, non-common के no. So, that is why it is not adjacent. They are not adjacent angles. Now, D. Here 1 and 2. Yes. Common vertex, common arm, non-common arms on opposite sides of the common arm. Now here again in this figure same. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. Full it is angle 2. So this is common vertex. Common arm is what? This one. है ना, angle 1 के लिए भी ये है और 2 के लिए भी ये है. मतलब common arm बाहर है, बीच में नहीं है. So again it is no. Now here the common vertex is there, but common arm है. So angle 1 का ये है arms, angle 2 का ये है. So बीच में जगह है ना. So common arm नहीं है. So it is a no. So you should understand properly. It should have the common vertex, common arm and the non-common arms on both opposite sides of the common arm. Common arm should come in the middle. Now in this you have to write 3 pairs of adjacent angles. So adjacent. So first you can see it is angle EAD and angle DAC. So first we will write angle EAD and angle DAC. Okay, EAD and DAC. Now take DAC and CAB. Angle DAC and angle CAB. Okay, CAB. Now, if we say this, you think this line is not there. Okay, so then which are the two angles? EAD and DAB. Yes or no? This AC is not there, so you will have two angles EAD and DAB. They are also adjacent. EAD and DAB. You should remember, see, AD, DA. It is a AC, CA, AD, DA. दो अल्फाबेट कॉमन रहते हैं because common arm, isn't it? Okay, now coming to the third question. In the following figure, angle A and angle B, are they adjacent? Why? Why not? Are they adjacent? No. Why? कॉमन वर्टेक्स ही नहीं है, कॉमन आर्म है लेकिन कॉमन वर्टेक्स नहीं है. नो, बिकॉज they do not have common vertex. Clear? So first criteria is to have a common vertex, then common arm, and third it is the non-common arms are on the either side of the common arm. So here vertex only, it is different, that is why it is not. So it was about a question number 8. So now coming to question number 9. In question number 9, we have got identify the following pairs as complementary or supplementary. Now you have to tell whether it is complementary or supplementary. So already we have discussed complementary का मतलब sum should be 90. For supplementary the sum should be 180. Isn't it? So अभी इधर first three I have done already. 130 plus 50 you get 180, that is why supplementary. 55 plus 35, 5 plus 5 10, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, so that is why complementary. 95 plus 85, 5 plus 5 10, 1, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 9 18, so that is why 180. So it is a the supplementary angle. When it is a 90 it is complementary, when it is 180 then it is a supplementary. Now you add these two, 60 plus 60.5 plus 29.5, 5 plus 5 10, 1 in hand, 1 plus 9 10, 1 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 9, matlab 90 degree. So it will be what? Complementary. Complementary angles. Next it is a 74 plus 106, 4 plus 6 10, 1 plus 7 8. So it is what? Supplementary. Supplementary angles. Next it is a, see here it is a half is there. So then what will you do? 135 plus 44 लिखो, फिर half and half फिर से ऐड करो. 4 plus 5 9, 4 plus 3 7, 1, 170 degree. Half plus half is 1. That means how much you got? 180 degree. So it will be what? Therefore 180 means supplementary angles. Now 33 plus 57, 3 plus 7 10, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9. So it will be what? Complementary angles. Now 90, 0 and 90, it will be 90. So it will be what? Complementary angles. Okay. Now coming to find the complement of. Complement का मतलब क्या है? 90. Total it should be 90. तो क्या करने का है? 90 minus the given number. So 20 दिया है तो 20 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट आएगा 90 minus 20, that is 70. 55, 90 minus 55, 10 minus 5 5, 8 is there. 8 minus 5 is 3. So answer is 35. Now 71, 90 minus 71, 10 minus 1 9. Now here how much is there? 8 minus 1, 7 is 1. Isn't it? Now here 6 degree. So 90 minus 6. 10 minus 6, 4. How much is the remaining? 8. So answer is 84. Now here 90 minus 59 and a half. Now 59 and a half. You break it into 89 plus 1. So 1 minus half is half. First you write. Now here how much is remaining? 89. समझ में आ रहा है? 89 इधर कैसे किए वैसे ही रिवर्स में करने का. So 90 को हम 89 plus 1 करेंगे. 1 minus half is half. अभी 89 बचा. 89 मतलब इधर 9 minus 9 0. फिर 8 रहेगा. 8 minus 5 is 3. So you got 30 and a half degree. Understood? So इसको 89 plus 1 लेने का. Now इधर डेसिमल है. डेसिमल है तो क्या करेंगे? इधर 90.5 होता है. अगर आपको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है तो रफ में करने का है. 90.0. सो 10 minus 5 is 5. अब इधर कितना बचता है? 89 है ना. सो 9 minus 0, 9. And here 8 is remaining. 89 है ना. 8 minus 6 is 2. So it is 29.5 degree. Now supplement. Supplement के लिए क्या बोले हैं? 180. So 180 minus 110. So 180 minus 110 is 70. Now here 82. 180 minus 82. That is 10 minus 2 is 8. How much is remaining here? It is a, how much is remaining? It is a 7, isn't it? 7 minus 8 means 17 minus 8 is 9. Now here 180.0. 180.0 मतलब 10 minus 5 is 5. Now here 9 will be there. 179 आएगा है ना. So 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. And here it will be 7. 7 minus 3 is 4 and 1. 148.5 degree. Either 180. 180 minus 180 is 0. Now again decimal. So it is a 96.5. So it is a 180.0. 10 minus 5 is 5. So इधर 0 के जगह में कितना आएगा अभी? 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. Now how much is remaining here? It is a 7. 7, 8, 9. So 8 is remaining. So the answer is 83.5. Now 100 degree. That means 180 minus 100 is 80. Is it clear? Ordinary subtraction. So in the complement you have to subtract from 90 and in supplement you have to subtract from 180. Okay. So that was about write the supplement, complement and the supplement. Now coming to the draw the following using scale and pencil only and also name them. One pair of adjacent angles. अभी adjacent का मतलब क्या है? Common vertex and common arm है ना. इसे कॉमन आर्म एजेसेंट मतलब एक दूसरे को वो टच होने का है ना. सो दिस इज इफ यू गिव द नेम नेम देम बोले हैं। सो A B C D। सो आप लोग इसका नाम क्या दे सकते हैं, बोलो। एंगल ABC and ABC and angle CBD, isn't it? Now coming to the one linear pair. Linear pair के लिए क्या करने का है? It is the non-common arms, they are a straight line, isn't it? So इसे भी करो, द कॉमन आर्म बीच में। चलो नाम दे देंगे, दिस लेट इट बी O, दिस इज P, दिस इज Q and this is R. Okay, so here you can write angle POQ and angle QOR. POQ and angle QOR. Okay. Now one pair of complementary adjacent. अभी complementary का मतलब क्या है? 90 डिग्री, isn't it? So 90 डिग्री के लिए फर्स्ट ऐसे स्ट्रेट ऐसे रहता है ना, 90 डिग्री, टोटल इज 90, इसके लिए पहले 90 डिग्री ड्रॉ करो और बीच में कॉमन वाला कहीं भी ऐसे करने का। सो इट इज एरो डालो और नाम दे दो X Y Z और O। चलो इसको नाम दे देंगे। अभी लिखेंगे वन पेयर ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी एडजेसेंट एंगल्स। कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी एडजेसेंट, सो एंगल XOY एंड एंगल YOZ, करेक्ट है ना। अभी हमें वन पेयर ऑफ इधर आप लोग वैल्यू भी लिखो, ठीक है, कितना है एंगल। लीनियर पेयर ऐसे, लेकिन कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी में आप लोगों को एग्जैक्ट उसका वैल्यू लिखने का है। सो आप लोग क्या लिखोगे, लेट इट बी 45 डाल सकते हैं, एग्जैक्ट है ना। 45 is 90. Okay, now one pair of supplementary but non-adjacent. Supplementary का मतलब क्या है? Supplementary means 180, isn't it? So 180 के लिए कैसे करेंगे? So ये आप लोग A60 लेंगे। नॉन एजेसेंट का मतलब क्या है? तो कॉमन वर्टेक्स नहीं है, उसका कॉमन आर्म भी नहीं है, तो ऐसे डालो। सो इट इज ये बड़ा है, ऑब्ट्यूज, लेट इट बी 120 एंड दिस लेट इट बी 60। टोटल 120 plus 60 is 180. So A B C P Q R, ठीक है। तो क्या लिखेंगे? ABC, एंगल ABC एंड एंगल PQR. They are non-adjacent supplementary angles. अभी वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स। वर्टिकली के लिए क्या करने का? दो लाइन्स एग्जैक्टली दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग ईच अदर, isn't it? So give names. This is L, this is M. अभी एंगल का नाम दे दो A, B, C, D. क्यों ऐसे डालते हैं? ऐसे सिंगल लाइन मतलब A and B are equal. डबल लाइन मतलब C and D are equal. So vertically opposite angles क्या क्या है? एंगल A and angle B, angle C and angle D. Is it clear? Now in this figure you have to write the names. How many pairs of linear pairs are there in the figure and name any 4 pairs. अभी लीनियर पेयर का मतलब मालूम है ना? स्ट्रेट आएगा मतलब 180 आने का टोटल. सो पहले नाम लिखेंगे. सो एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 2 है ना. सेकेंड आएगा एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 3. देखो एंगल 1 एंड 2. अभी 2 एंड 3 ये स्ट्रेट है. सो 2 एंड 3. अभी 3 एंड 4 है ना. सो नेक्स्ट आएगा एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 4 और नेक्स्ट आएगा 4 एंड 1. सो एक पॉइंट के उधर 4 एंगल बना. सो यू विल गेट 4 pairs. So 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 1. Now any 4 बोले हैं हम सबको लिखेंगे. अभी इधर एंगल 5 एंड एंगल 6, एंगल 6 एंड एंगल 7, 6 and 7, now 7 and 8, 7 and 8, next 8 and 5. सो दोनों एंगल को ऐसे देखने के वक्त एक स्ट्रेट लाइन दिखना चाहिए. देन इट इज लीनियर पेयर. लीनियर लाइन. सो याद रखने का लीनियर पेयर मतलब दे फॉर्म अ लाइन. सो हाउ मेनी आर देयर? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. सो टोटल 8 pairs. Understood? So that was about the angles, linear pairs in the figure. Is it okay? So we have completed the worksheet 2 half. We'll discuss the half in the next class. Okay? Okay then. Bye. Thank you.